Hey, Mike Foster here. That's too loud. That's too crazy. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? It's another Mike Eats the Street. You know, I've had a single cheeseburger at McDonald's. I've had a double. But guess what? They now have a triple cheeseburger at McDonald's. And I'm going to go eat the street and check it out. You guys ready? Ready to eat the street? Let's do it. It's pretty basic looking, but let's try it. McDonald's triple. That's not bad. You know, it's three times as bad as a regular McDonald's cheeseburger. Pickle. All right, let me try some of those fries. McDonald's fries are some of the best. Am I right or wrong? Oh, yeah. I'm going to say a 7.1. Mike Eats the Street, McDonald's triple cheeseburger. Check it out. Get your protein for the day. Till next time. Peace.
Live life 365